Ya, bismillah, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This video will to make tutorial about voice control light. First, we go to basic, and they kind of start and whatever. And after that, we pass and on start with basic, icon, mile, and next pixel. Yeah, don't forget. First, you have to add from the attention and repeat the car program and show RGB car program. Search forever, click login, and the kind of is true, and click login again, and the kind of this buffer, and send the icon, and this inhibit, voice sensor pattern, and change from 0 to the 100. And after that, variable, set rhythm to 0. Oh yeah, eh, you create rhythm, variable rhythm first. And after that, uh, ultimate and pick random from 0 to 5, and oh, and you can of this RGB car value 1, value 2, and value 3. Oh yeah, and after that, uh the copy paste this pick random and change to from 5 to the 1, 200, 15, and 5, and copy paste again. Okay, these are ready. And after that, uh next pixel, and you can of this strip toggle color red and change the RGB color program, and the red change to the click more, and you can of the red green blue. And after that, next pixel and show and strip delete and RGB and change to the RGB color program. And after that, uh, put forever in here, and click login, and if true, you can up this, and click login again, and you can end up this, and you will end up variable rhythm from 0 and basic is log. And after that, you click this plus icon, and you can copy paste maintain to the one, the icon change to the be dark, this dark, and click this icon plus, and duplicate again, sorry, and duplicate again, change to the 2, and show icon into icon house, and click icon plus again, and second up in else if, then change to the 3, and show icon again, and change to the icon to this icon, and after that can copy paste and copy paste and paste this block again, and 4, change to 4, after that, and after that, uh end of this, and you click pause, You click icon plus and click another icon again, change the 5 and the icon and show icon this and the last eh, and the last is the end is the last change the click and show icon this maybe this and to click this minus. Okay, this already just download. I will change the voice control like and download, and after that I would like to uh, transfer to this chip. Right. After that is already done. You search in your document and search. You are ready to name the file and they can up to microbit. You still download. Okay, this to download, and after that if the if this chip uh if the chip here sound like will change like that. Okay, maybe just that from this video tutorial. I hope you get benefit from this video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.